In my work, I hear it every single day. 80% of parents complain. Teenagers don't listen. 81% of teenagers snap back. Parents don't understand. And the truth? दोनों सही हैं. Let's accept it. Parenting teenagers today is not easy. They are smart, they are sensitive, they are stubborn. They want freedom but are confused. And we, as parents, want to guide them but often end up pushing them further away. This 7-day challenge is your solution. It's not about preaching, not about lecturing, it's about doing. In the last 3 to 4 years, especially after COVID, I often hear parents say this, "Sir, my daughter yells at me. Stop interfering in my life." उनके कमरे में घुसने में डर लगता है. आई एम स्केयर्ड. कहीं मैं अपने बच्चे को खो तो नहीं रही. If you have also felt this, you are not alone. Now imagine this. A trusting son, a loving daughter, sharing their feelings with you, laughing with you, facing life like one team. This is what this 7-day challenge can bring back into your home. One action every day, simple, powerful steps to help your teen open up. Just 15 minutes a day, and the result? Instant connection. Sometimes without you even saying a single word. Gautam and Reena are from Gurugram, both in top corporate jobs. Daughter Shreya, class 11, good looking, intelligent. Earlier used to hug mom daily. Ab, no more. Now, late nights, daily fights, locked room, falling grades. And chill mom, it's my life. Son Aryan, class 8, still close to parents, but बहन को देख देख के ये भी बिगड़ रहा है. गौतम एंड रीना फेल्ट हेल्पलेस. हम उनके लिए सब कुछ तो कर रहे हैं सर, फिर कमी कहाँ रह गई. आई टोल्ड देम कमी कहाँ रह गई. आई टोल्ड देम एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई विल टेल यू टू डू ऑन day 1 tomorrow. And everything started changing after that. Promise parents, you will also see the same result. Friends, I am Dr. B.B. Agrawal, pediatrician, parenting guide, certified counselor and an author. For over 15 years, I have helped parents raise teenagers who are confident, responsible, career ready, and deeply connected with their families, including my own son. Look, times have changed. Our old ways of controlling and punishing don't work anymore. पर एक चीज नहीं बदली है, वो है आपके प्यार की ताकत. Sharing her journey, Deepika Padukone once said, "Whenever I felt low or depressed, it wasn't the doctors I called first. It was my father. Because he made me feel safe and heard." Parents, that's what your teenager craves today. Heart-to-heart connection, respect, your trust, not just advice, not just control. Hence this challenge. This challenge is most critical for 2 categories of parents. 1, those whose teens are already rebelling. Second, those whose teens aren't rebelling yet. अरे भाई, उनके रेबल होने का इंतजार करेंगे क्या? Remember what Leo Tolstoy said? A spark neglected burns the house. Will you wait for the fire to spread or act now? And you don't have to do this alone. I have created a dedicated, no-nonsense, free WhatsApp community for sincere parents like you. To begin this journey of change, the link is in the description. Parents, you have already lost enough time thinking, maybe it's just a phase. It will get over by itself. What if it's not a phase and it doesn't get over by itself? Please don't let another day go by. Join the group now, click day 1 and let's start. नमस्ते।